Squad 11 to fire.
Signal man at 364.
Signal man, be advised you're on the fire channel 1. Squad 11, your message?
Squad 11 to fire alarm. I was just curious, which crew is stuck on Shavenson Street?
It's actually the Flynn. I have engine 9 ladder.
Receive. Squad 11 to engine 9.
Engine 9.
Squad 11 engine 9, I believe that we're sending somebody your way to try to help dig you guys out.
We spun our way out. We're sitting on Pleasant just now.
Receive. Do you guys have any vehicles stuck down?
We're good at the moment. We're rolling through. I'm not sure where ladder 4 is at. They were going to have some issues with that turn on Balmer.
Roger. Squad 11 to ladder 4.
I made it out. I'm on Pleasant. Trying to make my way back to the station. Ladder 4 is in service again, fire alarm.
Receive ladder 4 is clearance service 833.
You put engine 9 also in service.
Receive fire alarm, medic 5. Medic 5. I have a note. That male may be near the main office. Looking for a male in a black and gray jacket, bright yellow snow hat.